Ready? Start. When Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi flagged off the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, a 75-week festival to commemorate 75 years of India's independence from Sabarmati Ashram on March 12, 2021. He launched a festival that celebrates the rapid strides India has taken in the past 75 years. Full stop. It is a festival that encourages us to rediscover our hidden strengths and prompts us to take sincere, synergistic action to regain our rightful place in the committee of nations. Full stop. Para. Often while tracing the history of a nation's journey, we come across watershed movements which alter the course of the flow of events. Full stop. Mahatma Gandhi's celebrated Dandi Salt March marks one such defining milestone which stands out as an iconic example of Bapu's non-violent call for civil disobedience against British rule. Full stop. Para. As we celebrate our achievements and prepare for the challenges in our development journey, the message of iconic leaders like Gandhi Ji and Sardar Patel provides us the inspiration to work together to build an India we all are dreaming of. Full stop. Para. It is an India which our freedom fighters and constitution makers had dreamed of. Full stop. It is an India which has been built by successive government. Full stop. It is Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, one India and the best India. Full stop. It is a healthy, literate, educated, self-reliant India. Full stop. It is an India that celebrates its rich, diverse cultural heritage. Full stop. It is an India that is strong but non-violent. Full stop. Para. It is an India that shares its prosperity with other nations. Full stop. It is a nation that cherishes constitutional values and nurtures its democratic roots. Full stop. Embedded in our constitutional values is a deep commitment to the development and welfare of our people as the motto of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas of the government captures so clearly. Full stop. Para. Gaining freedom from foreign rule was a great movement in our history. Full stop. That we could achieve it with non-violent means is even more remarkable. Full stop. The Dandi March we are symbolically revisiting today signifies our nation's ability to stay united when we are faced with challenges. Full stop. It is that ability to walk together on the path of development that has yielded so many positive outcomes. Full stop. Para. We must continue on this path, taking one confident step after another, one competent measure after another, and one collaborative action after another. Full stop. This should be the guiding, motivating force as we intensify our efforts, our churning that produces Amrit or elixir, and ensure that the drops from this Amrit reach everyone in our country. Full stop. Para. Amrit Mahotsav should herald the reawakening of a resurgent Atmanirbhar India. Full stop. The coronavirus pandemic proved to be a test of our resilience, spirit of enterprise and innovation. Full stop. From manufacturing PPE kits to surgical gloves, face masks and sanitizers to ventilators and vaccines, our researchers, scientists, entrepreneurs and industrialists shaped Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat into reality. Full stop. It is with this spirit that we must move forward. Full stop. Para. India, while conducting the largest vaccination drive in the world, is also supplying vaccines to a number of countries across the world. Full stop. We take joy in serving others in the true spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Full stop. Para. That is the Amrit, the internal universal vision we have inherited. Full stop. That is the vision we have to translate into reality, into a sacred mission through hard work and deduction. Full stop. Let the Amrit Mahotsav lead us and our country into that splendid future.